I'm from the local dealer German Gulf. Our company website is www.german-gulf.com. For anything, please feel free to reach out to us and we can support you. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Sriraj from German Gulf Enterprises. We are the dealers for Putzmeister for the UAE region. We are here at the Big 5 2023 here in Dubai. This is our latest model, the Putzmeister BSR 42-5, equipped with the ergonic 3 system. It's a proven and tested pumps. We have deployed this pump in many of the prestigious projects here in Dubai, and it's coming from Putzmeister, Germany. And the vertical reach of the pump is 42 meters, and it is with closed hydraulic loop system. It's fitted on a Mercedes-Benz Arox chassis 4140 2023 model, and this is the best state of the art the pump you can find anywhere.
In the future about this machine?
As I explained in the earlier, this machine is equipped with the ergonic. Ergonic is the latest feature from Putzmeister, ergonic 3. This is intuitive fault management. There is a advanced fault management system where you can see the precise errors on the machine, and this will help you prevent the downtime of the machine and make your life much easier. So you have very less time for the downtime of the machine, and it's very user friendly, and it has great fuel efficiency and all these things.
Can you show the interior?
No, this is locked actually. Yeah, because of the access, it is locked actually, the interior.
Can you tell us about the fuel consumption?
As I said, compared to the previous generation of the pumps, these are 20% more fuel efficient. And as I explained earlier, these are coming with the ergonic 3. So there is better stability of the boom and reduced vibrations. And it's a really compact and wonderful machine.
Can you tell us about the boom height?
I already told 42 meter.
2 meter?
42.
40.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us about your company website and contact number? If
Yeah.
I want to contact you.
See, I'm from the local dealer German Gulf. Our company website is www.german-gulf.com. For anything, please feel free to reach out to us and we can support you. And we have a lot of other machines also available in our fleet. And of course, from Putzmeister, you have the other range of machines, which is the shotcrete machines, the stationary pumps, the screed conveyors, and all these things.